A very good day to one and all present here. Myself Shazia Momin from the Department of the Chemistry, GM Momin Women's College. Today I am going to present here the research paper titled Solar Energy, a renewable source of an energy. Solar cell, a renewable source of an energy. So in this research article, it is an review article where a lot of literature survey has been done, and then this research article has been written where I have mentioned that large amount of energy which has been obtained from the sun and it is utilized for various useful purposes, as sun is a source of an abundant energy, and a small proportion of energy which is obtained from the sun is utilized, but it provides a tremendous large amount of an energy. All over increasing energy demand is being fulfilled by the sunlight reaching to the earth's surface. Incident sunlight energy is converted into the electrical energy by the photovoltaic effect. Here conversion of an light photon which strikes on the solar cell is being converted into an electrical energy, due to which it leads to a generation or production of an electrical energy. So working of an solar cell is based on the photovoltaic effect, which utilizes or which uses the semiconductor. So more improvement in the efficiency of the solar cell is tried to be obtained for absorption of the sun radiation and its conversion into an electrical energy. This condition are tried to be obtained by the application of different types of an advanced solar cell, like thin film technology and amorphous silicon solar cell. So here we are focusing on some of the application of the solar cell as a renewable source of an energy. So because of an increase in the environmental crisis, demand for increase in the solar cell have also been increased. As solar cell operates on the solar energy which is completely renewable and can be obtained whenever we need or we require, and this utilization of the solar energy to produce electrical energy acquiring more attention all over the countries in the world. It acquires more attention all over the countries in the world. Solar energy is an abundant, cheap and most promising renewable source of an energy. While high performance solar cells have been well developed in the last couple of the decades, the high module cost largely hinders wide deployment of the photovoltaic devices. In this last 10 years, this urgent demand for the cost-effective solar cell greatly facilitate the research on the this solar cell. So here this solar cell is being studied as a renewable source of the energy. As we know, there are the conventional source of energy and the non-conventional source of the energy. So the energy which cannot be finished and which can be obtained always whenever we desire, we require, we can take that energy, we can utilize that energy. It is available in plenty. It is available in free of cost. There is no any charges required. Whenever we need, whenever we want, we can utilize, we can use this energy, and it is available on the earth surface to us for different kinds of an beneficial purpose, for different kinds of an application by which we can use, and we can convert the sunlight energy or the solar energy into the thermal energy, into the heat energy, or we can convert that sun energy, sunlight energy, solar energy into an electrical energy. So when we are converting the energy of the sunlight into the thermal energy, then the medium which we require is a water. We just use a medium for storage of an energy in the form of an heat energy. And here the solar cell we are using where the light photons are converted into an electrical signal and electricity has been produced. So this is the application of the solar energy where we can manufacture the solar cell, and large number of the solar cell are arranged to make a solar panel. And generally this solar cells are, when we see most of the construction at the roof area, the solar cell is been installed, and then by proper maintaining of that cell, the electrical energy is produced and it is utilized, so we can save the energy consumption also. So large number of the sources of energy are available, like conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. Solar energy is a non-conventional source of an energy, as it is completely renewable and inexhaustible source of energy. So non-conventional source of energy are eco-friendly and does not result in the production of any hazardous, any harmful substance, any toxic substance while its operational process, during its operational process. And it is a primary source of energy on the earth and all forms of energy can be tracked back into the solar energy. So there is an emphasis to utilize and use the solar energy in different forms, and is achieved by conversion to solar energy into the heat energy and into the electrical energy. It is a natural source of energy and it is available in plenty. So now everywhere large number of the solar cells are arranged. I have told previously, so I'll not just will go ahead. So we will conclude this work. There is a large number of environmental and the health hazards associated or caused by the conventional source of energy production, like petroleum, like use of an coal, use of an oil and natural gases, which are available in the limited stock, and which are not renewable source of an energy, as is all sources of energy once consumed cannot be replenished again. As this is a major concern and issue nowadays in this country, so this can be easily removed by application of solar cell and different advanced technology in solar cell, which is need of the current era for energy production without generation of an toxic, poisonous, harmful and hazardous byproduct. So I will end my presentation here, and I am very much thankful to one and all for patient listening. Thanking you.